Hi, I'm Backlog Gaming, and I make a lot of content. Today, I'm going to show you my method to add captions to all your shorts 100% for free. In order for this to work, you will need the following requirements. Number one, a TikTok account. Number two, a phone or other mobile device. And three, if you're editing on a PC, you'll need a Google Drive account to transfer your video from your PC to your mobile device. This guide, we're going to start with content creators that edit on a PC. If you edit on mobile, go ahead and skip to the chapter TikTok upload. Once you have your video edit rendered, you will want to take that file and upload it to your Google account drive. Once the video is fully uploaded to your Google Drive, switch over to your mobile device to download it from your Google Drive app. Once the file is fully downloaded, go ahead and open TikTok and select the plus symbol to upload your video. In the bottom left, you will see an icon here. Click the icon. This will open all of your recent files, and since you just downloaded your video from Google Drive, it will be on the top. Go ahead and select your video. Once the video is selected, you will see this screen. TikTok will automatically assign music to your video. To delete that music, go ahead and click X on the sound icon here. In order to add captions, on the right, you need to go ahead and click this icon, and then scroll down a bit until you see captions on the right. TikTok will analyze the video and create the captions. Your job is to choose the font style that you want and where to position them on the video. Once you have that done, you'll click the next button, and this will take us to the third page before posting. On this screen, click on More Options here. Scroll down until you see a setting called Save to Device and toggle this on. I also leave Save Posts with Watermark off to avoid any watermarks from TikTok making their way over to my other platforms. Create a title and post the TikTok. Upon doing so, a video will be downloaded to your mobile device. This video will contain the captions that you added to that TikTok. Now you can take this newly rendered file and go to your other platforms and upload it. There you have it, 100% free captions with 0 watermarks. If this guide helped you, go ahead and leave a like down below. Also, help keep the dream alive by subscribing to the channel for more. I'll catch you guys on the next one.